Hey guys! So today I have a very glamorous makeup look, as you can tell. Like, do you see these? I know I move my fingers like an excessive amount, but like, can you blame me? Look at these. Just these £1 Primark nails are making me feel like $1,000,000, and I just feel like I just need to do this all the time. Just like, I don't know how people function with such long nails, but at the same time, it's a mood. It's a mood. Anyway, you're probably wondering why I'm here in like a towel and like a fake bathrobe. I don't have a white bathrobe, so I just put a white towel on me. And that is because today we'll be recreating a fabulous, iconic fashion queen's makeup look. And that is our queen Yubaba from Spirited Away. I saw it a few days ago and honestly, I just felt so inspired. I mean, the movie itself is just so beautiful and complex and amazing. Just storyline, visually, everything is just inspiration orgasm. That is all I can tell you. It is fabulous. There's so many things in that movie that are amazing, like literally every single thing is amazing, but one of the things that stood out to me when I watched it was Yubaba, her fashion sense, her style, her makeup, her nails, her rings, just ooh. I mean, she a bit evil, but like, she swag, okay? She's swag. And she also got that bag. So yeah, I was feeling a little inspired and I thought I'd try and recreate her makeup look. So that is this look right here. Really fresh, really glowy, focusing on the skin with a little bit of like a periwinkly, bluey, purpley on the eyes. And of course, like these fabulous nails. I don't show you how to do these because I mean, they're just press-ons. But yeah, if you guys like this kind of video, then let me know. I mean, I watch plenty of TV, anime, movies, like, I can do recreations of everything. If you want me to do inspired looks, I can do that because a girl is obsessed, okay, with everything. But anyway, without further ado, if you'd like to find out how I did this look, then keep on watching. So going for some Yubaba vibes today, so we want some nice periwinkle eyes, some lovely glowing skin. I mean, her skin is very, very aged, but I feel like because she's in a bathhouse all the time, her skin like looks great and it's like luminous and dewy even though it's wrinkly. So that's basically the vibe for today. A pop of colour and lots of glowy nice skin. I'm gonna start off by priming my face using the VDL Lumi Layer Primer. I want some glow to the skin. I want to look fresh and fabulous and just amazing. So I'm gonna do, I think 2 pumps of this should be more than enough. And I'm just gonna mix it all over my face. I feel like that is looking pretty good. Now because the eyes are like a lovely periwinkle, I'm gonna do the eyes first because I feel like if I do it later, I'm just gonna have purple all over my face. So the closest eyeshadow that I had was from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Novena palette, and it's this one right here called Soul. It's like a lovely darkish periwinkle with like a light bit of a sparkle. I mean, it's actually kind of more of a purple, but you know what? It's the closest colour I have. I wish I had something like a little bit more lavender that I could mix, but like, this is literally the best I have, so it's gonna have to do. But first, it's time to prime the eyelids, because if I do not prime my eyelids, then you won't be seeing much on my eyelids. Just not happening. I'm just using any old concealer on my eye. It's a little bit brighter than my skin tone, but that's fine. We want a little bit of brightness, so the colour is like popping when we do place the colour on. I think that'll do. So now let's jump into our colours. So Yubaba mainly has her colours literally just on her lid, so I'm literally gonna pack it just on my lid. I'm gonna try not to get it up here. Almost always when I do eyeshadow, I get it all the way up here, so this time I'm gonna try and be really careful. I'm gonna start small and then try and blend it out, and hopefully I don't get it everywhere, because that is just the opposite of what I want today. I feel like that concealer actually did nothing. Like, I feel like it's not bright enough. We're just gonna go with it. We're just gonna go with it. This is like a slight modern twist on Yubaba, so it's fine. It's fine because I don't think she wore concealer or foundation or highlight or any of those things, so it's okay if it's a little different. This is modern Yubaba. So for our skin, I'm going to do a little bit of color correction because Yubaba's skin is flawless. I mean wrinkled, but that's fine, but it's flawless. So I'm going to grab a little bit of color corrector. This is the Bobbi Brown color corrector in the shade light to medium peach. This is pretty much my go-to whenever I need to do some color correction. Recently, I've actually just been skipping it because I just can't be bothered, but for this look, I must be snatched, okay? I must be snatched. I feel like that does the trick. I'm looking less tired. I'm looking less, like, scarred up, like I've been picking at my skin. I don't know what's up. I basically had some spots which I literally left alone. I never touched them, and then when they left, which literally took like, I don't know, like a month or so, they left scars, which is really weird. Like, why would they leave scars if I haven't been picking at them? And on top of that, these scars are taking longer to disappear in comparison to the other ones where I actually scratch my face open. So I'm just like, what is happening? Something must be happening under my skin because I can't figure it out. So yeah. Anyway, now that we've done that, it's time for some foundation. I'll be using my beloved Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation SPF 15. Literally longest name ever, but best foundation ever. Now it's time for some concealer, so I'm going to be grabbing my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Macadamia. It's like my new favorite shade. Usually I tend to go for Custard, which is a lot brighter and lighter, but I've just been feeling this more of like a natural glow, you know what I mean, instead of just being like super bright. That looks lovely. Now I'm going to do a little bit of a blush and contour. I'm going to be really subtle with it because, like I've said like a billion times, I don't know why I keep repeating myself, but she a natural hoe, okay? She natural. But anyway, I'm using the Revelation, I think this is a stick foundation in shade F14. I'm just gonna give myself baby cheekbones. Oh my god, is that even? No, it's not. I used this product in my catfish video and honestly I never thought I'd use it again, but I actually really like how it looks on the skin, so I'm gonna keep going for it. Oh, look at that. Ooh, a cheekbone. I just birthed a cheekbone. Now originally I was going to use a little bit of blush, but I sort of dragged the contour onto my cheeks, and because it's a touch like warmer, I feel like it's done a little some, although on here I can't tell, but here I can tell. Here I'm looking at what on earth is this. I'm looking good. For my highlight, I'm going to go in with my Nars Orgasm Illuminator, the liquid version. I'm just going to give it a shake because I haven't used this in a while, and the last time I squeezed it, like, oil came out, and I'm not sure if it's supposed to do that. It might be out of date. I don't know, but I'll give it a shake, and I'm sure it's a little oily. It's okay. I mean, a little oily, but it's fine. I'm just gonna give it a little smudge so the oils can mix together and just like go back to what it once was. And I'm just gonna, that is a lot, put it on the high points of my face and then blend it out. And now I'm gonna do just a little bit of powder. Recently, like, I've been kind of off the powders, like powder blush, powder highlight, powder contour, powder bronzer, like all those kind of things. I'm just not into them anymore. I literally only powder my under eyes, and I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in the shade 2. I actually really like this stuff. I've just about hit pan recently. So I just wiped my lips off so I've got no crusty, dusty foundation on them. And I'm going to go over them with a nice little bit of hydration and like a light bit of colour. And this is the Bobbi Brown Extra Lip Tint in the shade Bare Nude. It's just a very pretty light nude colour. I like. And now let's finish off the eyes. I think I'm just gonna do my brows and then just do like the final touches on the eyes. So for brows, her brows are like kind of like a little unruly and like messy, but like in a very chic kind of way. So I'm gonna try and do the same with mine. I have my trusty dusty NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Black. This is literally finishing. That is literally all I have left, which is the end. So I'm just gonna like draw some random line, barely filling in the brow, and then I'm gonna go over that with my brow gel. This is the Boy Brow by Glossier in black, and I'm just gonna try and brush my eyebrows upwards so they look a bit more messy, although like some of these are stubborn. Like, please move out of place. I'm really trying to get my brows to look messy on this side, but like they don't want to hold anything. Come on, look messy for me. I think this might be the messiest I can get them, so I'm gonna just accept it because There's nothing else I can do. I'm not talented enough to like draw individual hairs. Now to finish off my eyes, I'm going to put a little teeny tiny bit of eyeliner, like an incredibly thin line, if I'm capable of that. I hope I am. And I'll be using the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Micro Tip. And this is just in black. Okay, so now we're finally on the last and final step. All I gotta do is put on some lashes and some mascara. I guess it's 2 steps, but combined they are 1. So for my mascara, I'll be using the Dior Show Pump and Volume Waterproof Mascara. It's pretty good. And then for lashes, I've just got like some standard, like slightly wispy, natural-ish looking lashes, because while she has lashes, they're not like crazy, you know, so hopefully these do the trick. So our makeup is complete. Now I'm just gonna go put on the finishing touches, which are my nails and accessories, and I'll be right back. And here is the finished final look. I need to be careful because this is about to fall off. Unfortunately, I don't have a white bathrobe to go with this look that I wanted to do, so I've just like thrown on a towel, and I feel like it does the trick. It does the trick. Honestly, I'm struggling with these nails. Like, I don't know how anyone does anything with this kind of nail. I don't know how. Like, I've had long nails before, but never this shape. By the way, these are like Primark 1 pound press-ons that I just painted red. I feel like they do the trick. Ooh. They do make me feel like some kind of way though. I'm just like, ooh, I feel like they just put spells on people. Just like, oh yes, a little mystical spell on you. I don't know, I just want to move my hands a lot. Anyway, that is this whole look. I hope you enjoyed this fun little tutorial. Even though this is like a Yubaba recreation look, you can wear this pretty much anywhere. Like, you go grocery shopping, you're casting some spells, you can literally wear it anywhere. It's just nice and simple and glowy and fresh with like a little pop of color. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, you guys can follow me on social media at SaimaSmilesLike for Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, all that good stuff, although I only use Instagram, so head on over there. But yeah, that is all for today, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye!